The innate dispositions of a human being, or what we Muslims call as fitra, believes in the existence of a God and has a desire for religion. And most of the human population does believe in a God and a religion. This nature has its seeds embedded in us since day one. However, then there comes atheists who are deluded by their own thoughts into rejecting this innate desire, resulting in a chaotic life with no purpose whatsoever.
I don't believe in God.
The nature of human beings to believe in a faith, a religion, a God has been confirmed by researches and findings of anthropology, the study of humans, sociology, and also neurotheology. Most humans identify this nature embedded in them as they go through hardship. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ الضُّرُّ دَعَانَا. And when affliction touches man, he calls upon us. He also says in the same verse, لَمَّا كَشَفْنَا عَنْهُ ضُرَّهُ مَرَّ كَأَن لَّمْ يَدْعُنَا إِلَى ضُرٍّ مَسَّهُ. But when we remove from him his affliction, he continues in disobedience as if he had never called upon us to remove an affliction that touched him. Well, this desire and belief is seen in some atheist groups as well, as they used religious means to spread their cause. For instance, USA, UK and Canada all has seen the opening of atheist churches. We all know that churches are a place of worship used by Christians. Now we are seeing atheists themselves opening churches to spread their call. So, like I mentioned earlier, atheists do not have a purpose nor a rational foundation in life. They reject their creator and consequently get deprived of the fluidity in life, resulting in a life that does not flow smoothly, has mixed feelings in things, sometimes not really knowing what to do, has to show fake smiles while being depressed in the inside, has to take pills to sleep as there is no real pleasure that calms the mind. So until now we have known that many worldly studies has confirmed the innate dispositions of belief in a creator and a religion, which is a system of life taught to us by the creator. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator, has further explained this religion to us as he says in the Quran. فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا. So devote yourselves to the religion of monotheism, فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا. This religion of monotheism, it is the natural instinct God has instilled in mankind.